सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Fifth chapter, shloka number 19. इहैव तैर्जितः सर्गः येषां साम्ये स्थितं मनः निर्दोषं हि समं ब्रह्म तस्माद् ब्रह्मणि ते स्थिताः। Lord Krishna revealing the state of mind of a jnani, a wise person, what type of mind he entertains. In the 18th shloka, he said, Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini. He is having a Samadarshanam, equal vision in all beings which are superior and inferior also by birth, by nature. A Brahmana who is a Pandita, Sattva Guna predominant, well-learned person, superior from the worldly standpoint. Then the cow is also a superior animal among the animals. It is also having Sattva Guna predominant. Whereas the elephant, Hasti, elephant is a Tamoguna. Rajoguna also mixed. Rajoguna, Tamoguna. And the dog is also fully Tamoguna. And the dog eater, very, very inferior. Shvapakaha. So from superior human being, well-learned Pandit onwards, and all other beings you have to supply. Only for sample, Lord Krishna is giving the cow, elephant, dog and all. We have to supply all other beings also. A person, the jnani, is having an equal vision. How na atma drishtya, paramarthika drishtya. Atma drishtya, he is having the same vision, because in every being, what is there? Atma alone is there. Therefore, samam brahma, nirdosham hi samam brahma. So that Brahma is nirdosham, dosha rahitam, ityarthaha. Once there is no dosha, it is samam, equal. Since that samam Brahma, who is even equal in all people, this jnani sees that samam Brahma, therefore samadarshanam. How to understand? The samadarshanam is because of the samatvam of the Atma. In everyone, Atma is same. That's why samam Brahma is there in every body. What type of darshanam we should have? Samadarshanam we should have. Why we are not having Samadarshanam? Why Jnani alone is having Samadarshanam? He knows, who? Jnani knows that every blessed being in this creation, the inner content is Atma. But the other people do not know. That's why they see the superiority, inferiority, disparity they see. So, after telling that, Lord Krishna in 19th verse, this verse talking about the Jivan Mukti. How is it possible for him? Because of he is a Jivan Muktaha. How he got Samadarshanam? What is the criteria for Samadarshanam? Jivan Mukti. Atma Darshanam. Sarvatra Atma Darshanam. Eva Samadarshanam. Samadarshanam eva Jivan Mukti. Therefore, in this 19th shloka, here he explains the nature of that Samavastu. If he is having Samadarshana means what is that Vastu? That Brahma, Atma, what type of nature it is having? He says in the 19th shloka, Ihaiva taihi jitaha sargaha. The first line, Esham manaha samye sthitam. Whose mind? Esham. Manaha, mind. Whose mind? Samye sthitam. Sthitam means established. Samye means equality, inequality. Samam, samye means inequality. Established in equality. Established in equality on what? On Brahman. Brahmani, we have to supply. Brahmani. Esham manaha samye sthitam Brahmani. Brahmani samye sthitam. Whose mind is established in equality. Equality means Brahman and Artham. What is there equally in the universe? No, only one thing. That is Brahman. So in equality, that those people, iha eva, taihi, iha eva sargaha jitaha. Ada Jivan Muktanake idida adayalam. Taihi eva, by those people alone. Taihi in tritiya vibhakti. By them alone. Taihi means kaihi. Kaihi na yarna. By whom na? Taihi na. By them na. By whom na? Samadarshanam, the one who is having Eshamanaha Brahmani Samya Sthitam Taihi. By whom the Brahman is seen as everything by them alone. That Taihi anartham. What is the phalam he gives? Iha eva sargaha jitaha. Such people, ihan, here itself, in this janma itself, iha eva. Here itself, eva. Inge, here itself, here alone. Sargaha means birth, rebirth. Sargaha means rebirth. Samsara chakram. Janana marana samsara chakram. Sargaha. Jitaha means conquered. They have conquered the birth and death cycle. Therefore, the first line is fully what? Jivan Mukti. Because of that Samadarshanam, Samadarshanam is nothing but Brahma Darshanam. Brahma Darshanam is nothing but Atma Darshanam. Atma Darshanam is nothing but Aham Ajaha iti Jnanam. Aham, I am birthless. I am deathless. So what? I am ever eternal. I am free from birth and death. Who is having birth and death? Body is having. So this body alone is having birth and death. Body death is not my death. Body birth is not my birth. So, my body, when I say, I am different from the body. So, my body is going to die. What do you have to say? My body is going to die one day or other. It is bound to die. நான் போயிடுவேமோ நான் போயிடுவேமோ அதுக்கு பயம் என்ன? இங்க சொல்லும் போது மை பாடி தானே சொல்றோம். Therefore, understand what you are saying, what you are claiming finally. My body, my book gone. My book gone, I am not gone. I have not gone. Suppose my book is destroyed, burnt. What will happen? Am I burnt? No. When I say my book has burnt, my book has burnt, but I am there. When I say my body is going to be burnt, that means I am not burnt. Think panni varungo. When I say my body, it is cremated, but there is no one is there to claim I am there and சொல்ல வழி இல்லை நமக்கு. அதுதான் ப்ராப்ளம். நான் இருக்கேன்னு சொல்ல முடியல. ஆத்மாக்கு அம்மா பிரம்மனுக்கு சரீரம் உண்டோடி அண்ணா. சரீரம் கிடையாது. சரீரம் போனதுக்கு அப்புறம் சொல்லறதுக்கு வழி இல்லை. அதனால என்ன சொல்றோம்? உடம்பு போன உடனே நானும் போயாச்சு. இதுதான் தப்பு, நம்ம பண்ற தப்பு. அதுதான் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். This person, taihi, by those people, iha eva sargaha jitaha. Like you people, you are all sargaha jitaha or not? You are all conquerors of birth and death cycle. How you have conquered? You have understood that you are not the body, mind complex. It is just a toll. Bones, it is a shell. Then, what is that Brahman he has understood? What type of Brahman he understood? That Brahman is none other than Atma, I the self. Okay. What type of I here? Nirdosham Brahma. Dosha Rahitam. உடம்புக்கு தோஷம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? எக்கச்சக்கமான தோஷம் இருக்கு. மனசுக்கு இருக்கா இல்லையா? தோஷம் இருக்கு. அந்த தோஷபூயிஷ்டமான சரீரம் மனசு நான் எதுக்கு சொல்லணும்? இந்த தோஷம் பார்ப்பவன் நான் தனின்னு சொல்லணும். அதுதான் நிர்தோஷம் ஹி சமம் பிரம்மா. தட் பிரம்மன் இஸ், ஆத்மா இஸ் in your body, in my body, in elephant body, in cow body, in dog's body, in the dog eater's body, in the Brahmana well-learned Pandit's body. நான் சொல்றது ஆத்மா இருக்கு இல்லையோ, அது மிக்சர். என்ன மிக்சர்? ஓசி ஆர்சி மிக்சர். அந்த ஆர்சி பிலாங் டு த மைண்ட்ஸ். தட் இஸ் a ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன். இந்த ஓசி தான் சமம், ஆர்சில சமமே கிடையாது. இட் டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் த மீடியம்ஸ். Therefore, and the Atma in every being is samam nirdosham. Parichinnam is not there. Dosha rahitamanna. What are the doshas I said in the last class? Likes and dislikes are not there in the Atma. First dosha. Ignorance is not there. Second dosha. Samshaya is not there. Third dosha is not there. Doubt is not there in the Atma. எங்க இருக்க டவுட்? இந்த புத்தில தான் இருக்கு, இன்டலெக்ட் மீடியம்ல இருக்கு. Ignorance also not there in the Atma. Ignorance is in the mind alone. All these are kalmashaha. Kalmashal doshas are not there. அங்கே கல்மஷாஸ் சொல்லிட்டாரு. So why he is free from kalmashasana? Because he understood the kalmasha rahitam brahma. Therefore he is free from kalmasham. And viparita bhavanas are also not there in Brahman. Therefore nirdosham samam brahma tasmat. Therefore means wherefore. Since those people who have seen that equanimous Brahman in everything, they have conquered the birth and death cycle, they see that blemishless, faultless, limitless, infinite Brahman they have understood. Tasmat, therefore, Brahmani te sthitaha. They remain in Brahman. Tasmat, therefore, they are sthitaha, established in. Sthitaha, where? Brahmani, in Brahman. Always thinking in subconscious mind. I am conscious, நான் பிரம்மன் ஆகாமல் எப்படி இருக்க முடியும்? அப்படித்தானே சொல்லணும். இப்போ நம்ம ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ் இல்லையோ, ஹவு கேன் ஐ மனுஷன் ஆகாமல் எப்படி இருக்க முடியும்? மனுஷன் தானே இருக்கேன் நான், இல்லையா? மனுஷனாதான் இருக்கேன் நான். இப்போ அதனால அது எப்படி, how that is so clear for us. What we have say after ஞானம், the ஞானி says, அசல் நான் பிரம்மன் ஆகாமல் எப்படி இருக்க முடியும்? என்ன நான் ஐன்னு சொல்றத பிரம்மன் ஆத்மா. நம்ம அது தெரியாமலே இந்த உடம்பு மேல அட்டாச்மெண்ட் பற்று வச்சுன்னு இந்த பாடி ஐ ஆம்னது ரொம்ப ப்ராக்சிமிட்டி, ரொம்ப க்ளோஸா ஒட்டின்னு இருக்கு. பிரிக்க முடியாத சம்பந்தம், அவினாபாவ சம்பந்தம். அந்த க்ளோஸ்னஸ் அசோசியேஷன் வித் திஸ் லிமிட்டெட் finitude body is called samsara. Association. What association? Physically you cannot remove, but intellectually that attachment is so much. And the guilt hurt. எதுக்குன்னா மனசுக்கு. எனக்கு கில்ட். யாருக்கு கில்ட்? கைக்கு, ஃபிங்கருக்கு, காதுக்க, நோஸுக்க, யாருக்கு கில்ட் ஹட்டன்னா? சுவாமினி நீங்க என்னன்னா சொல்லுங்க, அது மாத்திரம் விட முடியாதன். அந்த மைண்டுக்கு தான் இதெல்லாம் நோஷனல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். ஸோ நோஷன்ஸ் கரெக்ட் பண்ணணும். we have to handle that first. So tasmat te brahmani sthitaha yatra yatra bheda darshanam tatra tatra taratamyam. Bhedam, when you see bodies, bhedam irka illaya? What you are seeing? Bheda, division, complexity, qualified, unqualified, brahmana, kshatriya, division, caste wise division. அதுல வடமா தெங்கள் எல்லாம் அதே அந்த ஒரு கேஸ்ட்லோனே டிவிஷன். ஸ்மார்த்த பிராமணா, அந்த பிராமணா ஒரு டிவிஷன், எல்லாம் கேஸ்ட் வைஸ் டிவிஷன், படிப்பு வைஸ் டிவிஷன், எஜுகேட்டட், லிட்டரேட், இல்லிட்டரேட் எல்லாம் டிவிஷன். எத்திர எத்திர பேத தர்சனம் தத்திர தத்திர தாரதமியம். எங்கெங்க பேதம் பார்க்கிறோமோ நம்ம, wherever I am seeing the division, there are all taratamyam, disparities are there. So therefore this is called vishama darshanam. Abheda darshanam or samadarshanam is moksha karanam. Vishama darshanam தனித்தனியா டிஃபரெண்டா பார்க்கறது. நாம ரூபாக்கு we are giving reality. So that is Vishama Darshanam or Bheda Darshanam is Samsara Karanam. Moksham Varanam enna pannanum? Develop Samadarshanam. At least start now onwards. Love all beings, love all human beings. Fake it and make it. Never develop any attachment or aversion. Look at Ishvara Srishti as Ishvara Srishti. Never develop any raga, dvesha, likes and dislikes. Strong likes and dislikes don't develop. So that is called moksha karanam. Otherwise the samsara karanam. Next shloka. न प्रहृष्येत् प्रियं प्राप्य नोद्विजेत् प्राप्य च प्रियम् स्थिरबुद्धिरसम्मूढः ब्रह्मविद् ब्रह्मणि स्थितः. It is very easy to say Samadarshanam. To implement it is toughest task. But peripheral level, some good samskaras, good values you develop, slowly you will get Chitta Shuddhi for Jnana. The absolute Samadarshanam, absolute level Brahman, Atma Samadarshanam is possible when I have pure mind. Sattva predominance must be there. How to get Sattva predominance or Chitta Shuddhi? First see the other person's good qualities. Param Guna Paramanun Parvati Kritya. Subhashita is there. Paraguna Paramanun. Even other person is having a small good quality. Paraguna Paramanun Parvati Kritya. Praise that good quality. ஒரு சின்ன குட் குவாலிட்டி வர்ச்சு இருக்கு another one person. Always remember that good virtue and praise that person directly or indirectly. Always remember that. Appreciate that. So told slowly you will get Samadarshanam. Another appreciation. Whatever they are having, even in our enemy also. They develop பண்ணணும். Even we don't like some people's behavior, some person's nature பிடிக்காது. ஆனாலும் you see one good quality in that person. Try. அவன்ல கூட ஒரு கொஞ்சம் குட் குவாலிட்டிஸ் இருக்கு. ஏதோ ஒரு ஒன்று வர்ச்சு இருக்கும். கரேஜோ, சம்டைம்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் ஃபார்வர்ட்னஸோ ஏதோ இருக்கும். We have to see that. And another thing, why we are not getting Samadarshanam? Samadarshanam is all the time we are seeing only negative in the world, in the people. That's why I am not able to get Samadarshanam. So when it is like that, person behavior is not good and very, very, very cantankerous person, creating all the time problems and is not allowing me to sleep also, not allowing me to be peaceful also. Okay, what you are going to do? So methods are there. Before going to Brahmajnana, at least apply certain methods. Just like mother. The mother, she condemns the child, scolds the child, but she is never hate the child. Even though your children are doing some mistakes, their behavior is not good, what we are doing? Ignorant. We are telling, why can't we see other person also like our child? Just as the mother accepts her son or daughter's mistakes, and she gives chance again and again and again. Mother excuses. Why? My child. How she is having Samadarshanam on all children equally. One son is earning a lot, one son is not earning, but she is having, I hope so, Mother is having an equal darshanam. One son is very, very intelligent, one son is not intelligent. Now you can ask any mother how you look at the son. Papa, she loves this person only, who is not having much money, illiterate. She is having more money, care also. She wants to take more care. That's why mother's love is unparalleled. Appadi develop pananum. So, suppose if we are not able to change that person, adella vali irukadike. Samandarshanam develop panna, at least don't shout at him, don't criticize him, don't blame him. At least what to do? Escape from that person. Don't blame. Adukku 3 methods irukku. I will tell. Pray for them. So I am not able to develop Samadarshanam on that person, at least mother-in-law or brother-in-law or neighbor who is creating all the time problem. Pray for them. Let their minds should change. Let them have good behavior. One way we can do prayer. Then these are all helpful to get Samadarshanam later. Prayer. Number 2, avoid them if possible. Avoid them if possible. Don't be in front of them. So pray for them, avoid them if possible. Let them learn. And number 3, treat them without hatred. Treat them, give a treatment like in children. Doctor kuda in the court, prison law, they give punishment to the criminal. என்ன பண்ணுவான், மார்னிங் அடிச்சுட்டு சாயங்காலம் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் கூட்டிட்டு போவான். டாக்டர் ஆல்சோ வில் பி தேர். வாய் என்ன இவனு தப்பு பண்ணிட்டாருன்னா எதுக்கு மெடிசன் என்ன? பனிஷ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு பனிஷ்மெண்ட். எகெயின் they have to take humaneness. Similarly, there are people who give lot of problems. Not all the time, sometimes. Some people. So better not to develop any hatred towards them. Give correct treatment to them. Okay. Never hate them, but give correct treatment. How you are treating them is also important. And say your suggestions, your advice is important, you tell them. At the same time, give correct treatment at the same time, appropriate time. So that every person will change one day or other. Adha porumai venum. Romma porumai develop pannanum. Number 4th one is treatment kudukka mudiyala, change ஆக மாட்டா, அவனை அவாய்டு பண்ண முடியல, நமக்கு முன்னாடியே இருக்க, பிரேயர் பண்ணா கூட ஒன்றும் வேலை ஆகிறது தெரியல. அப்ப என்ன சஃபர்? சஃபர் என்ன? பிராரப்தம். வாட் யூ மை பிராரப்தா ஐ ஹாவ் டு அண்டர்கோ த்ரூ தட் பர்சன். That's why such type of guru I am getting anna students prarabdha. Why I am getting such type of students anna teachers prarabdha. Why we are getting such type of children anna parents prarabdha. Why parents are getting such children anna and the children's prarabdha. Therefore what to do? Suffer. Valiye villenna. For what vandittan in the vadammalaki everybody has to exhaust. The same diseases also. How much care we are taking sometimes because of some unknown factors we have to undergo. That is called suffering. Therefore, அப்படி பல்லு கடிச்சுன்னு பகவானே இந்த சஃபரிங்ல ஏதோ நல்லது நடக்க போறதுன்னு நினைச்சு everything good for good நினைச்சு undergo. Later you will recognize, yes, that suffering really helped me. புரியும் ஒரு நாளைக்கு. அதனால all possibilities we try. Okay. So then avoidance of hatred is called samadarshanam at relative angle. At relative angle, worldly empirical angle, avoidance of hatred is samadarshanam. What is absolute samadarshanam? Brahma jnana. Clear that? So start with ephemeral, worldly, relative Samadarshanam by all these methods. Slowly your mind will be prepared for absolute Samam Brahma Jnanam. அதுதான். இது இல்லாமல் அது வராது. You develop love. Don't hate anyone. If you have to undergo suffering, suffer. Why? This is the preparation. That's what Kunti has undergone, lot of suffering. So every great bhakta underwent a lot of suffering. Finally they got what? Bhagavan Darshanam. That's why in every suffering, Tumba Pudatiliti, next, you know that song. அதனால எல்லாமே already determined by Lord. So in this shloka, Lord says that Jnani, a Jnani or Karma Yogi, those who is in that sadhana also and who has attained that sadhana, attained Jnanam also, he says, Jnana Yoga Phalam he is giving here, Na Prahrishet Priyam Prapya. Priyam Prapya means Ishtam Prapya. Once he has attained whatever is pleasant, facing the pleasant situations, Ishtam Prapya or Priyam Prapya, Na Prahrishet. He is not elated. He is not glad, always, no, Prahirshetana. He is not too ecstasy, not in too ecstasy. ரொம்ப ஆனந்தம் அப்பா என்ன சொல்றோம் இல்லையோ, அது ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. ந பிரஹ்ரிஷேத். ஏன்னா எனக்கு எல்லாம் நல்லா நடக்கிறது. பிரியம் பிராப்பியன்னா என்ன? நைஸ் ஃபுட், நைஸ் ஹவுஸ், 24 hour water, 24 hours current, everything is imported. So many things are there, so many comfortable. Priyam Prapya. All are very favorable. Driver is favorable, servant is favorable. All family members are cooperative. All pleasant situations. Body also very, very fine. Gym ku poi, aerobics poi, yoga panni, adi panni, ellame nalla irukku. Priyam Prapya. He is not elated. Normal la iruppa, avladha. He is not showing that outside. Na apriyam prapya api na udvijet. At the same time, if any unpleasant, if he faces unpleasant situations, apriyam, aishtam prapya, if he face or experience any unpleasant things or people, situations, na udvijet, he is not depressed. Na udvijet, he is not depressed. So, who is he? Brahmavit sthira buddhihi asammudhaha sthitaha brahmani. For whom this is possible? Normal people, you see, when everything is going smoothly, you can see their face. Aha, oho, ஆனந்தமோ ஆனந்தம். ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம் தகராறு இருந்தன்னா cast oil face. This is what generally we see in the world. Every person, நல்ல பணம் கையில் இருந்தா gloomy face. பணமே இல்லைன்னா இதுதான் நம்ம பார்க்கிறோம் ஜெனரலா. பட் ஞானி all the time same mind, same face. ராமர் மாதிரி, ராமர் காட்டுக்கு போகும்போது அதே ஃபேஸ். அப்பா சொன்னும் போது நீங்க you are going to get that ஆசனம், சிம்ஹாசனம், that throne சொன்னானு ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்க ஃபேஸ். ஸ்ரீராமநவமிக்கு பாயசம் அது என்ன பானகம் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும், அந்த ராமரோட ஃபேஸ் வரமாட்டேங்குது. எத்தனை வாட்டி பானகம் சாப்பிட்டோம், பட் அந்த ராமரனுடைய குணம் ஒரு குணம். சேம் ஃபேஸ். வால்மீகி ரைட்ஸ், அந்த லோட்டஸ் எப்படி ப்ளோசம் லோட்டஸ் எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படியே இருக்கு. லக்ஷ்மணா வாஸ் ஃபயர்ட், ஃபயரிங். Bharata also was firing. All people are so restless and so angry. But Rama only has to feel actually. Rama is uniform. That's Sthira Prajna Lakshanam. So whenever you see Rama, remember this quality. Now Rama pathana udane ellarku ivar kaattu karpichittar Sitani da gnapakam varum. Rama sent Sita to forest. People remember that only. But Ekapatni Vrata Rama, we have to see Rama, what a great virtue that is. Even Surpanaga came, he just said, no. He said, Ekapatni Vrata. Pitruvakya Paripalana. My father said, therefore I have to. Even Bharata asked him, you come rule. Father has gone, dead and gone. Now I am calling you. No. Pitruvakya Paripalana. Similarly, same mind. He loves to go to forest. See, these three we have to remember in Rama. Then only we will get certain good qualities. No. Na prahrishet priyam prapya na udvijet. Why na? Because of Brahmavit, knower of Brahman. How he understood? Shravanena, by attending Saturday, Bhagavad Gita class. Through Shravanam, the knower of Brahman, Brahmavit. You have to supply by doing Shravana Manana Nididhyasana Dwara. Sthira Buddhihi, not only just listening as an information, he is having firm knowledge. Sthiram means firm. Buddhihi means knowledge. Jnanam. How he got? Through Mananam. Doubtless knowledge. Conviction. Through Mananam, he got conviction. Brahmavit means, Vit means knower, Brahma means Brahman, Atma, the knower of Atma. Sthira Buddhi, firm knowledge, firm in knowledge. Then Asammudaha, free from delusion. Viparita Bhavana Rahitaha. Viparita Bhavana Rahitaha. There is no any habitual orientation. Through Nididhyasanam. Always reading Bhagavad Gita, listening to the cassettes, always Swamini lecture, Swamini lecture. This is the very manasu varamatingirade. Ade Nididhyasana. Veetla irukavanga கோபம் வருது அப்பப்போ. என்ன சுவாமினி எப்பவுமே. அவங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியும் இவங்க நிதித்தியாசனம் பண்றாங்க. அதுதான் நிதித்தியாசனம். That means what? Living with the teaching. Listening to cassettes, writing notes, reading notes, or remembering the teachings or the words are ringing in the mind is what? Nothing but nididhyasana, contemplation. That is why he has got asammodha. There is no delusion, no more delusion. Always there is no confusion, delusion. Very clear. Very clear. Atma aham asmi. Aham Brahma asmi, Shariram na aham asmi, Manaha na asmi, I am Brahman. Especially when you are handling the situation, the people. Saturday class, when the ring ring. Every Saturday, one ring a battery weak. That's why class vidamale vandada. Illana and the power jasti aidum. Illiyo. Worldly power increase adukda a consistent systematic study. Vidakudadu. Shravanam vidave kudadu. Ethana vela irundhalum adella secondary da ani solladu. And the time kaavadu eppadiyavathu odi poi class ukkarந்து முடிச்ச உடனே திருப்பி நம்ம டியூட்டி நம்ம பண்ணணும். அப்படி இருக்கணும். So, Sthitaha Brahmani. So, through Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana Dwara, he has got a firm knowledge and no delusion, very, very clear. Therefore, he is established in Brahman. Next shloka. So this person, conviction anna, this person never depend on the majority's opinion. Majority people what? The fact is, I am Brahman is the fact. So, this fact is convinced or not, it's not depending on any other person in the family. சுவாமினி யாருமே சொல்றது இல்லையா நான் பிரம்மன் அப்போ இது நிஜமா உண்மையா இல்லையான்னு சந்தேகம் வருமான்னு. The whole world come in front of me and say this body is you and சொன்ன no, it is impossible and சொல்றதுக்கு தைரியம் இருக்கணும். ஆமா எல்லாரும் சொல்றானே நிறைய பேர், அப்படி இது நிஜமோ அது வரக்கூடாது. That is called firm knowledge. Because this is a fact. This fact never depend on the majority. Majority is confirmation. I don't want anyone's confirmation. This is a conviction to me. Are you a human being or not? Majority people are coming, you know you are not a human being. அப்போ நீங்க பார்த்துக்கிறேன் ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்க? மெஜாரிட்டி ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ் தௌசண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் வந்தாலும் கூட நான் ஹியூமன் பீயிங்னா ஹியூமன் பீயிங் தான். ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் எனி கன்ஃபர்மேஷன். அது எப்படியோ ஐ ஆம் பிரம்மன், அது கூட அப்படி ஆகணும். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஸ்திர புத்தி. தென் ஓன்லி அவர் டெல்யூஷன் வில் கோ அவே. புரியுறதா? பிரம்மணி ஸ்திதா, ஃபர்ம் நாலேஜ். பாஹ்யஸ்பர்ஷேஷ்வசக்தாத்மா விந்தத்யாத்மனி யத் சுகம் சப்ரம்ம யோகயுக்தாத்மா சுகமக்ஷயமஷ்ணுதே. See, whenever we listen this type of statements and all, and we go to our life routine, ஒண்ணுமே ஒத்து வராது. Whatever we listen in the class and whatever we face in the world, diagonally opposite. When I am in the class, I am so calm and quiet. When I go home, all my that anger, jealousy, hatred, guilt, hurt, restlessness, all slowly will crop up. And Brahmana, Atma, engiya poichu. So like this, days together, weeks together, years together, go on listening, onnume not working ani thonu namakku. But a real sadhaka is one. Real sadhaka is one. Just like a baby, how many times baby fall? Baby immediately get up, no? And run. Adi madri, in spite of listening this much Shastra, in spite of as though really now it's very clear, ani thonu inga. Anga pona udane ellame pochu. நானா வேதாந்திக் ஸ்டூடெண்ட், அதுவும் சுவாமினி ஸ்டூடெண்ட், இப்படி ஏன் பண்ணிட்டான், இந்த மாதிரி ஏன் பண்ணிட்டான், எனக்கு ஏன் கோபம் வருது? Why I am talking like this? We need not feel guilty. A person, real sadhaka, is bounce up back again immediately. He recollects, I am Brahman. Even these are all failures are temporary. For some time they are there, but I will come out of them one day or other. This is called coming back to our real nature. How many times I failed, doesn't matter. So many weaknesses are there in my anger, in my own feelings. So many are coming at the body level, mind level, emotional level. Doesn't matter. I will recoup my energy, strength, that knowledge again and again. That's why we should not disappoint. Even certain weaknesses are there because of prarabdha, samskaras, previous samskaras. We need not look down upon ourselves. So therefore we have to strengthen ourselves. எப்படி இது cloud rain வந்துட்டே இருக்குல்லையோ, passing clouds, they are all passing clouds மாதிரி. உடனே அந்த cloud போன உடனே யார் வருவா? சூரிய பகவான். அது மாதிரி இந்த ஆத்மா அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி சூரிய பகவான் அப்பப்போ கிளவுட் வந்த உடனே என்ன வரும்? ரெயின் வரும். அந்த கிளவுட் கால்ல நோஷன் அகம் மம அட்டாச்மெண்ட், அடி தடி, தண்டரிங் லைட்னிங், வீட்டுல சண்டை எல்லாமே வந்துடும். என்ன வரும்? ரெயின் வந்துடும். என்ன 4 நாள் ரெயின் பார்த்து அதெல்லாம் சொல்லணும்னு நினைச்ச மனசுக்குள்ள டக்குனு சூரிய பகவான் வருவார். அதுக்குள்ள ஒரு நிமிஷத்துக்குள்ள டக்குனு கிளவுட் வருது. எவ்வளவு இருட்டுன்னா வீட்டுல லைட் போட்டாதான் வேலை பண்ண முடியாது. அந்த மாதிரி எவ்வளவு இருட்டுன்னா திருப்பி சுவாமி நோட்ஸ் படிச்சாதான் எனக்கு ஞாபகம் வருது. அது மாதிரி அங்க லைட் போட்டாதான் நமக்கு வேலை பண்ண முடியறது. அந்த மாதிரி similarly again I put cassette only, I will come back again to my வரலாம். அந்த மாதிரி சிச்சுவேஷன் கூட தப்பில்லை. அதில் passing clouds, all our failures in the life whenever we are interacting, even it may take the decades, I will tell you 10 years 20 years, but ratio will be reduced. Okay, ratio will be reduced. Even 30 years 40 years 50 years doesn't matter. It will take time. It will take lot of time. So go ahead. Never stop your sadhana. So therefore, now Lord Krishna says how to understand all this. First line is talking about karma yogi. Second line is talking about the jnana yogi. Conditions. How this karma yogi looks at the world, how he interacts. Innu jnanam varala avarku, but karma yogi working for vairagyam, purification of the mind. Nishkama karma he is doing. Everything for Bhagavan's sake he is doing. Karma yogi. How he looks at, interact with the world. And he says, Bahya sparsheshu asaktatma. How is this possible? Brahmajnanam. Just to start like this. Bahya sparsheshu. Bahya means external. Sparsha means attachment or attached to. Sparsha means sprushante iti sparshaha. External objects. Sparsha means external objects. Sound, forms, taste. So many objects are there. All these objects. Vishayaha ityartha. Objects. Sense objects. Bahya sparshaha means external objects. Sparsheshu means in external objects. Asaktatma. Atma means mind here. Asaktaha means unattached. Is not attached. Asakta Atma. Whose mind is not attached to external objects. Saturday, the nice program is there. A function irukka, ange ponu, inge ponu. This person is not interested. He is interested only in Bhagavad Gita class. Bahya sparsheshu asakta atma. அது ஒன்று இருக்குன்னே தெரியாது நமக்கு, அது ரெலவெண்டே கிடையாது. So this karma yogi is interested in what? Swamini class. இதுதான் மனசு. அங்கேயே போகும் மனசு எப்பவுமே. வீட்டில் இருக்கவங்களே என்ன இவனுக்கு பைத்தியமா என்னன்னு கூட நினைப்பான். They may think like that, but this person alone knows the importance of that class. Bahya sparsheshu asakta atma. He is not interested or she is not interested in external objects. Sales, discount. பார்க்கவே மாட்டான் அந்த பக்கம். Then vindati atmani yat sukham. that person who is not having that attachment towards external objects, what is the phalam? That sukham atmani vindati. Yatu sukham, which is within himself, that ananda he attains. Because Vishaya Sukham, Vishaya Ananda is not Ananda, they are bound to disappear one day or other. They are mixed with sorrow, they are having, always giving dissatisfaction to me. Atrupti is there, Dukkha Mishritam is there. I become slave to them. They are all called Parichinnam, limited. When I am getting them, I am so happy. When they are going, I am unhappy. Arjane dukkham. And the sukham kondu varthukka evvala kashtapada vendidirikka parum. Ayasam. When to get one sukha from external object, how much difficulty we are facing. So arjane dukkham, vyaye dukkham. When I am experiencing that, I experience happiness koranjinde poirukona. Because of it, go on changing, no? After 3 hours, the cinema is over, serial is also over, after half an hour, then what? Again, normal. So, every object is changing in the universe. They are all having limitation. Dukkham, misritam is there. Therefore, bahyasparsheshu asaktatma, where he is getting that sukham, instead of external objects, he is getting sukham atmani vindati. He is getting in himself, within himself or within his mind itself. The karma yogi gets just ananda in Ishwararpita karma. But whereas wise person, yat saha brahma yoga yuktatma, second line, this is for jnana. Jnani, Jnana yogi. Brahma yoga yuktatma means that wise person. Yaha, saha, that person, that wise person, whose mind is, yukta atma means whose mind is endowed. Endowed with what? With vision of Brahman. Brahma yoga, yuktaha. Yukta means endowed. Brahma yoga means of Brahman. Yoga means vision. With the vision of Brahman or Brahma Jnanam. Whose mind is endowed with Brahma Jnanam. Clear cut knowledge. Ashnute akshayam sukham. Akshayam sukham means imperishable, inexhaustible, akshayam, kshayarahitam ityarthaha. Ashnute means he attains that infinite ananda. Jnani attains that infinite ananda endowed with the mind which is endowed with Brahma Ananda, he attains imperishable Ananda. In the perishable Ananda, yarukku venum? That perishable Ananda not necessary. Why? Why is not voting for perishable Ananda? That he says in 22nd verse. Ye hi samsparshaja bhogaha dukkayonaya evate adyantavantah kaunteya nateshu ramate buddha. Very, very important slokas. Why this karma yogi is not interested in those material worldly objects? Why this person is interested only in Shravana Manana Nididhyasanam? Why Jnani is how Jnani has got that Akshaya Anandam, because these two people know the defects of these sense pleasures. Very well they know. Even Patanjali says in one sutra, he says, Parinama tapa samskara dukkhaihi guna vritti virodhacha dukkhameva sarvam vivekinaha. Patanjali says. In the sutra vechite, Madhusudana Saraswati, one commentator of Bhagavad Gita, he writes 2.5 pages of commentary on this Bahya Sparsh, Yehi Samsparshaja Bhogaha Dukkha Yonayaha. And the sentence number of quotations he gives and a number of Adila or Patanjali Sutra he quotes. And the Patanjali Sutra beautifully he explains. All your sense pleasures are mixed with these defects. What are those defects? And he says, Parinama. Parinama means all the time it has got its own consequences. Then Tapam. Tapam. Adhidaivika Tapam, Adhyatma Tapam, Adhibhautika Tapam. Anticipation, expectation, anticipation. Ennagumo, Ore anticipation. Ide or Dukkam. Anticipation of what? Loss of happiness. This is the anticipation of anticipation of loss of happiness. Vyaye dukkham. That's why sense pleasures, even Stri Purusha Sambandha also, the more sense pleasure you enjoy, that happiness will diminish. Because either you are not able to kanksha irukum, desire irukum, but this body become unfit. Cheeda murukku cheeda yaar saapida mudiyum? Palli irukavanu saapida mudiyum. Kaana and murukku cheeda saapidano aase palli illa. Adhe madri all sense pleasures, either you have to give up or they go away from you. This is the unmai. So this is called anticipation of loss of happiness. Ayyo poiduvemo in the sukham eppudu irukuma irukada. Do you love me? Do you love me? And husband go on asking wife is asking how to maintain the love, compatibility you have to maintain. First you have to see compatibility, then you have to maintain. Adhu enna pannuvaanu ekkachakamana oru list. Enna idella oru naadukku pova vendiyadha ellame. Then okay, these are all, so many are there. I will explain you in the next class. Another thing he says, samskara also, one point, because of previous samskara, they come up. All these desires, they come up. Previous samskaras. And even though the dosha is there, still it wants because of samskara. So, nitya abhyasam venum, dosha darshanam venum. And he says finally, dukkaihi guna vritti virodhaha. Sattva rajas tamo gunas mixed. All the time they are changing. கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கும் போது நல்லதா இருக்கு சுவாமி, அப்புறம் தான் மாறிட்டான். அதுதான் சத்வ ரஜஸ்தமோ குணம் சேஞ்ச் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு. இட் இஸ் இன்எவிட்டபிள். யூ cannot stop. They are virodha. Sattva இருந்தா தமோஸ் இருக்காது, தமஸ் இருந்தா ரஜோ குணம் இருக்காது, ரஜம் இருந்தா சத்வம் இருக்காது. ஏதோ ஒரு டாமினேட் இருந்தா 2-3 சப்சர்வியண்டா இருக்கணும். இதெல்லாம் தகராறு. He is going to explain about all these bhoga are yehi samsparshajaha. They are born with sense pleasures, are born with sense objects contact. Samsparshajana, born out of contact, association. Dukkha yonayaha means they are the source of unhappiness, source of sorrow. நான் சொல்லல, கிருஷ்ண பரமாத்மா சொல்றார். என்ன சுவாமினியே சொல்றாருன்னு நினைச்சுக்காதுங்கோ. Krishna Paramatma says, Dukkha yonayaha eva They, all those sense pleasures are the source of, potential source of unhappiness. Wise person, Viveki, knows this before they are going to come, or at least after one experience, podum ani sollanum. Then come to the class in study, Atma Ananda. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.